shine gives light from above. We're rolling down the highway coming through your town. We've got a message aboard, custom paint and chrome wheels and a 4 on the floor. We do it all for the Lord. Yeah, we're cruising to Christ our Lord. Yeah, we're cruising to Christ our Lord. Yeah, we're cruising for Christ our Lord. Yeah, we're cruising for Christ our Lord. From Santa Rosa, California, down to Myrtle Beach, the rod's in spirit control. He's got our engines revved up and we're ready to go to tell everybody we know about the smile on our face, about the saving grace. We love what we're talking about. We're rolling into your town to spread the word around. We do it all for the Lord. Yeah, we're cruising for Christ our 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 Lord. Oh, we're cruising for Christ our
My name is Alan Landenberg. I live in Sabina, Ohio. The first thing I liked about this camp is where we go and build cars ground up, and seeing a car from our first day and then try to get it together up. We got it completely done and got it to start.
battle line is drawn. We're gonna win this fight. We're gonna end up on the side, right and might. To walk the side of light means the dark is gonna fall. If we can keep ourselves within heaven's walls.
My name is Jacob. I'm from Camden County, Georgia. My feelings about this camp, it's definitely an eye-opening experience. Get to do a lot of things I wouldn't normally get to do. Definitely get to meet some new people, some unique people. I get to learn a lot. There's a lot. I thought I knew a lot more than I did. It's definitely showed me that I have a lot more to go.
We can win this world when we focus on His glory. We will sing of the wonders of His
My name is Jeffrey Jarrell, and I'm from Proctorville, Ohio. And I would say CRA camps has honestly been one of the best experiences in my life. This camp is just life-changing. It's changed me a whole lot. Before, I was unsure of even being saved, but then, the people here helped me open up and reassured me, saved me again, and I'm just really thankful for that. Building the car and all that, it's really fun. You have a really good, enjoyable time, and it's one of the best things that you would ever experience like everywhere.
Mercy and His love. The victory is ours. Hold Him deep within, and He will lead us through those minefields of sin. We're gonna take this world down to every last man, 'cause there ain't nothing we can't do if in God we stand. We can win this.
I'm Hayden Covert from London, Ohio. My thoughts on the camp: it was a wonderful experience. It wasn't what I was expecting it to be at all. Like, I just felt at home, and I made 6 new friends in a matter of a week, and I am a very shy person. I don't do that. I got to put the second project engine together with the help of my fantastic supervisor. It was just a wonderful experience.
When we focus on His glory, we will sing of the wonders of His story. The hope of all lies within His hand of mercy and His love. The battle line is drawn. We're gonna win this fight. We're gonna end up on the side of right and might. To walk the side of light means the dark is gonna.
I'm Dakota Hess. I'm from Chesapeake, Ohio. And so far I'm the biggest person to have ever been to Hot Rod Camp. So I had a hard time fitting under them cars, but overall, the car building was not what I came for. If I could stay another 2-3 weeks, I would do it in a heartbeat. But you guys will enjoy this camp. Shop talk was my favorite part of the camp. Once you get to know all the guys and stuff and get real comfortable, they start to talk a lot. And most important thing, go to sleep. And I will miss every single one of these guys. They had heartwarming stories. Larry's was probably the most impactful for me. It feels like this whole week was intended for me about forgiveness, but you will enjoy the camp.
Do I thank for this food, and thank you for letting us be able to come out here and have such an awesome opportunity to work on these vehicles. And thank you for letting us be able to come together and learn more about you. And please bless the rest of this week as we finish up the job. In Jesus' name I pray, amen.
Oh, if we can keep ourselves within heaven's walls, if we can keep ourselves within heaven's walls.
I'm Jeremiah Gerald from Chesapeake, Ohio. Then this camp really will change your life. Every morning we prayed, and then every lunch, morning, and dinner we prayed about and talked about Christ, which really changed my view of Him. We built a hot rod, but
God's own heart. It's who I am, on the rock I stand.
Hi, I'm Brendan Sylvius. I'm from Kingsland, Georgia. And what I really did like about camp was just the fellowship and us getting to build a car. And everybody has a little bit of different story and a little bit of different background. And but we all came together and put together this car. And I really did enjoy the shop talks, because it really gave us a chance to open up and kind of express our feelings as we needed to. And I also really did like the devotions in the morning, because that kind of gave us a time to learn something to start the day off with.
What they're doing, are they doing what you think is right or what you think is wrong? That's a choice you're gonna make throughout your life. You're gonna make a lot of other choices. You might even get another car. You just keep making all kinds of choices all through your life. What kind
I want to be a man after God's own heart. I can't imagine my life without him. On my own I am knee deep in sin. He put this broken man back together again. Now I'm a man after God's own heart. I wanna be a man. God's own heart. It's who I am, on the rock I stand. I want to be a man after God's own heart.
How'd you hear about the camp?
Well, my grandparents, they had told me a long time ago, hey, there's a camp, they build hot rods, you know, they build cars and old cars, and they work on engines, and I just remember wanting to do that ever since I was little.
So what have you been doing here? You've done a little bit of putting together an engine, and
We've been putting together a 350 small block Chevy, and I helped put in the suspension. We mounted the body and the radiator. Well, what I really do like about Shop Talk is that the instructors, they have a chance to kind of give us a little bit of a background about them and kind of where they come from, and it also kind of gives us a chance to open up and express feelings that we might not feel comfortable expressing with somebody that we don't know very well.
oh wow, Lord, I'd love to have had experiences like what you're talking about, where I could share with somebody and it was confidential. It wasn't going to go out all over the airwaves.
I think that's what everybody loves about it. It's just that it's compact to the 7 guys and the instructors that we have here, and we know that they're not going to say anything to each other, but they're going to, instead of judging us, they're going to try and help us through that time.
That must help you to kind of see that, well, we've all fallen short of the glory of God, but there's help for all of us. So they're here because they care about the Brennans. So that's really neat.
Heavenly Father, He sent His only Son to pay for wanna be a man after God's own heart. It's who I am, on the rock I stand. I wanna be a man after God's own heart. I wanna be a man after God's own heart. I wanna be a man after God's own heart. It's who I am, on the rock I